very good game and everything is good. Congratulations to all the school, other schools, our team and our champion here.
Games were really competitive, the other teams were really strong, but thankfully our students had trained enough. They have great coaches and great teachers at the schools, so they were able to get the job done.
The players give the 100% and they deserve the win. Thank you so much for hosting us. We had a great time in these 3 days. You had wonderful facilities and I think definitely we will come back.
BCIS was very excited to welcome 3 schools in our partnership to our regional ISP Games. This is a cultural and sporting experience where we encourage kids to try new sports, compete against each other, show integrity and perseverance. It was an amazing event. All 4 teams competed magnificently and we were very happy to host them. We thank all players, all coaches, all parents for coming out and supporting a positive learning and competitive environment. It was a wonderful experience to host such people and we just can't thank you enough, so thank you.